Now it's story time with Jasmine and Vanessa.
Oh yeah.
Golgi the OG, written and illustrated by Jasmine Poyatos and Vanessa Lee. This is Golgi the OG. He is a professional rapper. Rapping is what he does for a living. He is not simple. They don't call him Golgi Complex for nothing. Whoa. Golgi gets hookups from his homeboy ER. His homeboy delivers the goods to the warehouse where Golgi works at. Once the goods enter the warehouse, Golgi gets to work and sorts through / packages them so that they can be shipped to various places. Golgi gets out the goods by organizing them according to their zip codes. Once the goods are finalized and are ready to be shipped, they leave the warehouse and are put in UPS trucks. The UPS trucks will transport the goods to other locations. The UPS truck will deliver the packages to many houses worldwide. Fun fact time! The Golgi apparatus plays an important role in Alzheimer's disease. The size of the Golgi apparatus changes during the pathological development.
Hey guys, so now that Vanessa has finished reading Golgi the OG, I will do all of the explanations. So the Golgi is also known as the Golgi complex, the Golgi apparatus, and it is pretty much known as the receiving, sorting, manufacturing, and shipping part of the cell. The Golgi has two sides. If you look at this picture of Golgi the OG, the top part over here is known as the cis face, which is where the Golgi apparatus receives nutrients or proteins from the endoplasmic reticulum. And the cis face, remember, is going to be located closest to the endoplasmic reticulum. And then it'll process and sort out all the proteins, and then it'll exit through the other side, known as the trans face. So to break it down, the endoplasmic reticulum, also known as the homeboy of OG or Golgi, that's where Golgi receives the proteins from. And while Golgi receives the proteins, he's going to sort through them and process through them, and he's going to make them sorted out through the zip code. And this picture shows a zip code, and the zip code is also known in cell terms as molecular identification. And molecular identification, an example of that would be the phosphate groups which are added to the products which the Golgi makes. And once all the goods are finalized and are ready to be shipped, they leave the warehouse, which is also known as the transface. And the goods are then transported to numerous parts of the cell, and the transportation, or the UPS truck that Vanessa beautifully drew, is representing the vesicles. And so these vesicles are a part of the Golgi, and they include the protein that the Golgi has processed, and it is transported to several places in the cell. And the houses in the story are a representation of the numerous cell parts, we could use the lysosomes as an example. And so, yeah, this is Golgi.